going on, good people? It's Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. Today, we are making homemade pancakes. You know, sometimes you go into your pantry, you want pancakes on a Saturday morning or Sunday morning, and you're like, oh, I don't have pancake mix. But I'm gonna show you obviously how to do it from scratch. But more importantly, we're gonna use cake flour, all right? Let's get into it. All right, so first things first, with the cake flour, I have 2 cups of cake flour. Now, and the reason why I'm using cake flour instead of all-purpose flour or AP flour is because there's less proteins in cake flour, which means it will not produce as much gluten, which is also good. So what happens is it's gonna make us have a more lighter, fluffy, airier pancake, which I personally like better, okay? So look, I got the 2 cups of cake flour. In here I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and I have a half a teaspoon of salt. All right, I'm just gonna kind of incorporate all that together. All right, now here I have 2 eggs and I have a tablespoon of vanilla extract, okay? So I'm gonna mix all that up together. Now when you're mixing pancake batter, you do want the batter to be kind of lumpy, all right? All right, now I have 1 3/4 cup of milk. I'm gonna incorporate that. It's gonna be really quick. Get ready. Mixing up this, incorporate that. It's starting to come together nicely. And last but not least, I have 1/4 cup of melted butter. That is it. And so now, kind of show you, I got some lumps in there. I'm not gonna mix it too much more than this. Now sometimes it's even better to, once you kind of incorporate it, let it sit. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and it's gonna be amazing, but that's good right there. You want some lumps in there, and I'm done. I just wanted to make sure that the flour stuff's incorporated, all right? So now when we come back, we'll get into, we'll go ahead and start making us some pancakes. All right, so now I got another 1/4 cup of melted butter, and I have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. That's kind of like my little secret mix as far as getting ready to make these pancakes. For me, because it gives me the crispy edges. Don't get me wrong, if you want a little, you can still use the non-stick spray, but just in case you don't have it, that's what I like to use. And you'll see what I mean. It's gonna give us those nice crispy edges. That's a nice size right there. I'm gonna do 1 like this. Of course, I know my son likes to put chocolate chips in his. So we'll put a few in that. There we go. All right, and we are going to watch this magic happen. Using a griddle is easy. If you got a non-stick, now cast iron skillets are really good, you know, if you have a, but if you have a griddle though, it makes your surface area much easier. Especially my outdoor guys got the Blackstone grills. These things are amazing, man, to make pancakes. And so we'll start seeing it here. Let's watch the bubble start to form as it starts to set that bottom. Right now it's sitting good though. Watch how amazing it's gonna look when we get ready to flip this over. yeah, I mean, you know, you could do so many variations here with the pancakes, of course, with the chocolate chips. I know some people like to put chopped bacon in theirs and have them have bacon or chopped pecans. You can do a lot of different things here. Now it's starting to move a little bit, but now I'm just waiting on what I consider to be the presentation side. So whenever you get your pancakes on the plate, what side are they gonna be? That's what I'm waiting to get now. So the reason you can tell that it's moving, it's set now. Bubbles are starting to form nicely all around the edges. Yeah, it's gonna be good. I like the look of that one. Let's try this one right here. I'm up underneath it. One flip. Oh, nice. Look at that. You can see those crispy edges around there. Oh yeah, I love it. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. All right, when we come back, man, we gotta taste them. I do some few more, man. We're gonna make a little stack and let's see what they come out like. All right, so look, we got the pancakes done and nice, so you know I gotta get in here and taste it. Let's see. That's good. Really good. All right, guys. Thank you, man.